This module's first objective is to record the production costs associated with the production orders. More generally, the module allows the management of analytical accounting. The cost centers table allows you to list the cost centers to which costs and revenues will be attributed. The cost centers are structured in 3 levels. The last level is the imputable one, the others are used for totalizations. Finally, they are divided into costs and revenues. The Analytical Accounting Journal contains the economic cost or revenue values attributed to the various cost centers. Each journal line contains the amount and the date of the movement, the cost center entered, an eventual project, and the reference to the object that generated it. Finally, the journal table can be exported to an electronic spreadsheet. A number of modules and components of Dolibarr use the functionality of this module. In the Projects page, a new tab allows access to all the movements associated with each project. Production costs can be detected by entering in the bill of materials the cost center to be associated with the materials used. And, in a specific tab, the production costs for the single final product. At the time the production order is generated, the material costs are associated with the cost center indicated, and the unit production costs, multiplied by the quantities produced. As for the remaining tabs, the generated data can be modified or integrated. Personnel costs are managed in the same way. Each user is associated with a cost center, to which the hours worked will be attributed. A tab allows access and management of employee costs.
It is important to underline that, when entering staff hours, their costs are automatically assigned to the specific cost centers.
The costs and revenues deriving from the invoicing of suppliers and customers are also managed by specific tabs. The values can be entered and modified manually. All the data seen flow into the Analytical Accounting Journal and can be examined from different points of view and at different levels of detail. A variety of filters are possible. It is possible to analyze data by project or by cost center, and to define the level of detail and the logic of totalization. The results can be exported to a spreadsheet. Or displayed in a dynamic graphing tool.
The module can be bought in the Dolibarr store. www.dollarstore.com.
Thanks for your attention.